Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to make image clickable in email template in Salesforce. So let's proceed and firstly understand what does we mean by clickable image in Salesforce. A clickable image in Salesforce refers to an image embedded in an email template, web page, or any digital content within a Salesforce that act as an hyperlink. When a recipient clicks on the image, they are redirected to a specified URL similar to how text hyperlink function. So let's proceed and discuss how to make clickable image in Salesforce. So first log into our Salesforce account. So here I open my Salesforce account and by default it is open in the Lightning edition. So you can see that on the left side there is a quick find box present, and here I enter the email template in the quick find box, and our classic email templates present under the emails. Click on this classic email template and it will redirect you to the unfiled public classic email template page. Now here you can see there is a new template button present. Click on this new template button for creating the new template. Now it take you to the page where you have to choose the email templates, or the type of the email template you would like to create, and here I want to select the HTML using classic letterhead checkbox and then click on the next button. After clicking on the next button, we move to our next step. You have to enter up to the HTML email template information, and here you need to enter the email template name, and the template unique name is deploy automatically. Here we have to enter the name as a course information, and then the email unique template unique name is automatically deployed. And now even you want to add the description and the subject if you want to add, and then next you have to click on the available for use button. Here click on the checkbox available for use. If you does not click on that, it will not work. Then you have to select the classic letterhead from the drop down menu. Here I click on the drop down menu and select the classic letterhead, and so suppose here I choose the product launch, and then you need to select the email layout as a email layout from the drop down, and here I have an option and I have choose free from letter. Here is a free from letter. Click on this and I also select the encoding. Here the encoding is Unicode UTF-8, and then click on the next button. Now we move to our next step. Now here you enter up the subject related to your email content. Suppose here I have entered the subject as a course promotion. Enter the course promotion in the subject field, and now scroll down and see. Now in the HTML content, click on the email body. So here if you want to add the field, you can use it from the available merge field option located on the top. So here is the text related. So here I can choose one of per your requirement. Now I add the text related to the clickable image. So select the text, and here I enter the text as a. Now I select the text, and after I click on the. Now I select the text and then click on the insert link, and here I added the link. Now it's asked you to enter the URL. Now it's open up the pop-up window, shows on your screen and ask you to fill the link of your website that you want, and now fill up the link of the page on which you want to render. Suppose here I enter the page name as this and then click on the OK button. If you want to add an image, then you can simply click on the insert image option, and here we go. We can see our attached file is dialog our attached file is pop up on the screen, and here we can select this image, and our image is selected and shown. You can also adjust this image according to your need. Now here you can drag and drop the image according to your need, and then click on the next button. and then you can, if you want to add the text body, you can add it, otherwise save it as it is. And here we go, our course information email template is created. Now you can see that it show you the preview of your clickable image. If you can click on this image, you are redirecting to that page that you are added inside the URL. So with this we have learned how to create an clickable image in Salesforce Lightning. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.